Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Microsoft 365 fundamentals on topic of uh, the Viva insights as well as all different capabilities of Microsoft 365 insights, which are mostly useful for in a situations or in a different use cases, for example smart working environments as well as achieving the life work life balance on different teams or organizations, as since we have seen that all the different companies as well as the organizations, they are moving from fully remote to hybrid work, or from different locations, kind of remote as well, right? And that is when this tool or this capability of Microsoft 365 is really going to be helpful for all of that situations, right? So now I'm going to talk more on the different features of that. So here you see Viva Insights, which is going to help people and organizations to work smarter way as well as achieve the balance in their work and life together. Along with that, it is also going to give them the real-time insights of their work, how much they are working, how much time they are spending on meetings and calls, right? And how much they have focus on different things across their work regularly, and how they can focus on their personal as well as their working hours. So it is definitely going to help them to decide how much they should focus, what they need to do, what they should not, and where they should spend time on. Right. So all of that is going to be possible, and we can start that one. So I'll click next. So here we have Microsoft Viva, which is Viva Insights, a part of Microsoft Viva, and which is going to be a module of Microsoft Viva, which also provides the privacy protected invite insights and actionable recommendations, which are going to helpful for everyone within the organization for smarter work and achieve the balance on their regular works. Also, employees can get personal insights on their daily routine as well as daily work, right? And how they are working within the team and collaboration, and what they should do, and what are the recommendations for them to improve their collaboration and work, right? So that is when Viva Insights is going to help them in that case. So also here you see there are different Viva Insights capabilities on Teams for the web app, as well as we would have the different through email Viva Insights in Outlook add-in, then briefing email in Outlook, digest in Outlook, inline suggestions in Outlook as well. So Teams Insights as well as organization insights, and then the data privacy. So data privacy is something which is going to be individual level for the respective user, right? And that is why this is going to be really helpful for all the people. And the most important part here is if you are the person who is manager on the team, right? And they'll be able to see some additional details on to manage their team, and they can share their ideas, they can discuss on different topics, they can talk with the people by providing or by sending an appreciation to their team members as well as to their group of people, right? And that is when people would be encouraged to work in a collaboration manner, and that's going to be a really collaboration way to work on things or work on different work and projects, right? So this is going to really be helpful, as well as not only helpful but also this is going to give us the different capabilities from admin side to get the report and understand how people are working within the company, how people are working in collaboration, if they need any additional help, if they are feeling stuck, or if they are kind of overburdened of their work, then that can also be managed as an that is going to give us the individual level insights, and basis on that people can simply understand, okay, so the xyz, the person who is working on different things, because they are too busy, they are spending a lot of time on teams meetings and calls, and basis on that we would be able to gauge their uh, time spending as well as how they are working on different things, right? Here we see different common tasks that we can do using 365 administrator: manage users by adding, deleting, restoring, and resetting passwords. So these are all the different tasks that we can do as an administrator. Along with that, we have some capabilities for user level as well. So let's say this is the portal, right? And this portal is going to be accessible to every user, where people would be able to see their files, and then they can also create some apps, right? And create as in they can simply open any of these web apps and use it for their daily work, right? And the next section here is of reporting. So under reporting, which is under the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, and this is really going to be helpful from inside perspective. We would be able to see the report on different timelines like 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, and 180 days as well. So that report is really going to be used for different use cases, different scenarios, to share it across different teams and stakeholders within the company, right? And that can also give us the details about what is the adoption score of Microsoft 365 applications and services, how people are using them effectively, how people are experiencing them, whether it is used as expected, as well as what is their experience. So people experience is also going to be the one which is going to give us the insights about it, the technology experience as well as usage experience or usage reporting, and the reports which we can export from security and defender xdr portal, then compliance Microsoft Purview portal, endpoint manager which is Intune, then Microsoft Entra ID, which is identity and access management solution. Then we have exchange, the SharePoint and Teams. So these are the real major workloads where specialists or admins can simply export the reports and see how people are really using that. And this is not only for usage purpose, but this report or these reports are use can be used for the purpose of getting or exporting, and can see how people are using that, so that we know people are using them, as well as we would be able to see what is the people experience or what is the user experience across the company, right? And that is why we would need these reports to know and understand. And if people are just feeling not good to use because they don't have the right information or right details to work on their job, then that means definitely they are stuck somewhere and they would need some or the other help on it, on their work, right? So keep in mind that these are the reports mostly from Microsoft 365 usage and analytics perspective. Also, those can be integrated with Power BI to see the analysis and gauge the user experience, right? And basis on that, we can take it further from there. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you will like this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.